Deep within vast glaciers, a symphony unfolds as colossal sheets of ice crack, shift, and grind. When stress builds, ice fractures, sending vibrations through the frozen mass. These vibrations resonate, bouncing within the glacier's tunnels and crevices, creating pure, harmonic tones. The resulting sounds can be surprisingly melodic, ranging from haunting hums to sharp, echoing pops. Scientists use sensitive equipment to listen in, revealing that each glacier has its own unique acoustic signature. These natural harmonics offer vital clues about glacier movement and Earth's changing climate.